Before, a folder of lecture notes nobody but you will ever read. After, a book with your name on the cover, on sale beside your courses. That's what my books does on AfrikSabify. And you're not writing it alone. Open the book editor and give it a title, an author, a description. Right there sits the AI book assistant, stuck on a description or a chapter direction. It drafts, you decide what to keep. Add a cover, paste a link, upload your own, or generate one with AI. Attach the file, a PDF or an EPUB. Then choose free or a price and currency, just like your courses. Flip one switch to published, and it lands on your storefront shelf next to everything else you teach. The knowledge was already in your head. This just turns it into something a learner can buy. So write the thing you keep meaning to write. Become a teacher on AfrikSabify and publish it at AfrikSabify.com.